Hey guys, this is Upen and welcome back to Channel DigiReload, and today we are going to be discussing another important topic, how to do topic research for your blog. Now doing topic research for a blog is a lengthy and a technical process, and it requires a lot of research. While you can write on anything which is currently trending on the internet, but there are chances that it will still not hit the top spot on the search engine. Whereas there are tools such as Google's keyword planner and Google Trend, which will help you to know what is currently trending on the internet. But additionally, we are here to discuss about 9 of the websites which you can use to know what is currently trending on the internet and write about. So stick to the video and we will let you know those 9 websites. Thank you.
The first one is Feedly. Feedly is a great tool to research trending content. The tool allows you to follow some of the top blogs in your niche with just one click. You can simply search for the relevant publications by choosing a category. Just subscribe to their feed and get all the latest content in your Feedly dashboard. Feedly is a freemium app available on desktop and on mobile. Another cool place to find trending content in your industry is Medium. Medium is a free to use content publishing platform. It's a great community for finding some truly remarkable content pieces. You can use category search on the platform to search for some popular blog posts and pick those that you wish to write about. You can log in and create a free account and use Medium on your desktop or download its mobile app. You can follow individuals and categories on the platform. Once you do, you will see the latest stories from them in your feed. Another section that's worth checking out is Popular on Medium. Another cool website is Quora. Quora is one of the best communities for finding trending content. Whenever I am ideating a content piece, I would check out popular questions on Quora. The platform provides you the option to follow relevant topics in your niche. Once you do so, you will keep seeing the top stories or questions in your Quora news feed. You can also check out these new questions option to see the latest questions. The community is full of interesting questions to find inspiration for your next blog post. The next one on the list is Google Trends. Google Trends is another free tool with a host of interesting features. It helps you to do comparative keyword research to find out which ones are being talked about the most on the internet. The tool provides you with an option to analyze trends for web images, videos, and as well as Google Shopping. You can also look for trending stories for a particular category and location. Next on our list is BuzzSumo. There are many content pieces that get widely shared on social media channels. There is something unique and valuable about these pieces that makes them unique. You must catch hold of these content pieces to know more about what's doing well. BuzzSumo is one tool that will help you to find niche pieces which have the highest social shares. Type in a simple topic or keywords and you will get the URLs of all those pieces along with the respective number of shares on platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, etc. After BuzzSumo, the next website on our list is Reddit. Some communities may not be as popular but definitely quite valuable. Reddit is one such community that can help you to find some fairly exciting content to help you ideate your next blog post. The community helps you view content based on its freshness and popularity. Look for the relevant subreddit for conversations related to your niche, and you'll find tabs like hot, rising, and new to look for in trending topics. Next on our list is LinkedIn Pulse. LinkedIn Pulse helps you to find some of the top stories and professional conversations on a daily basis. These stories are curated by editors of LinkedIn and include stuff that's published on the platform and off it. Check out what people are talking about now section to get your dose of trending content. Moving forward to the next website, EpicBeat. This is another cool freemium tool to find trending content in your business vertical. You can simply use the search bar in the tool to look for a topic URL or author. EpicBeat has a unique search assist feature that gives you suggestions of keywords, authors, and website based on your interests. The tool also provides you with an advanced search feature to make your search more accurate. It lets you analyze the top content pieces and shares, while it also gives you the list of those who have shared the pieces in the past week. Concluding our list with the last website, Social Mention. Social Mention is another cool web app to find the latest content in your industry. Just type in your keywords and find your real time content in your niche. It gives you the option to look for content pieces of all formats such as blogs, microblogs, videos, etc. This tool gives you the option to search for exact key phrases so that you can find results that are more relevant. You can use the tool to look for content which are posted more recently in 12 hours or an hour before format.
So that was our list of 9 websites to do topic research for a blog. If you guys know or have been using some other ways to do topic research for your blogs, please do let us know in the comment section. Till then, that was all for today. Do share this video, subscribe our channel DigiReload, and visit our website digireload.com.